So yesterday we have discussed about for loops, right? So let me take that example here. Here only you are having doubt, right? Here we have removed all UKs using range, right? Let me take this. You are doing like this, right? For I in data, if I equal to UK, then data dot remove UK. Data dot remove UK. Okay. Now let's go here. Data 3 order order. Okay. Here, if you see here, all UKs are removed, right? If we use range and here only we're like counting this and now it is clear. If you see here, to that let me print data, print data. Now see, still three UKs are there, right? This is the doubt you are having, right? Now let me show you clearly what happening background. Here, Python visualizer. It is good for like comparing loops, okay? Checking loops line by line what it is happening. So just I am copying my program to here. You are able to see my screen, right? Yeah. Here just I have copied my program here. Just here execute visualize execution. Click here. Okay. Close this. Now see. Now here print output, right? Here output will show you what is happening. Okay. See, just click on next. Yeah. Can you hear me now? Yeah. Here cursor is there here, first line. Are you able to observe this red arrow? Yeah. So just click on next. Okay. Next. Here cursor is at third line. Third line. Now if you see, this is we have initialized list. Okay. We have initialized list here. Here it is showing 0th index is India. Okay. First index is UK. Second index is UK again. Germany, third index. UK. Yeah. You are able to observe this, right? Right side. Okay. This is data we have executed. First line is executed and this is the first line output. Okay. Now we are at third line. Just click on next. See now this third line also executed. Now here in I what is there? Data is there. In I India is there. Right? This I India is there. You are able to clearly observe, right? This right side panel and left side panel. Yeah. Now we are at fourth line, right? Now we are here. Just click on next. See, now if I equal to UK, then only it will enter here. See, India is there, right? So it is going back to third line, right? Here this condition is false, so it is going back to third line. You are able to observe this, right? Yeah. And still here, if you see, in I, India is there. Click on next. See, next UK came. In I, UK is there now, right? Now we are at fourth line here, left side. Then next, click on next. See, now it is true, right? Condition is true, right? Now, where we are, see, UK index is 1. Observe this, okay? UK index is 1. This is first UK index. Now here we are at fifth line. Click on next. See, now one UK gone. Are you able to observe this? You are able to observe this, right? Now that UK came to first index, right? Now see what we will get. This is the UK we have removed already. Okay. Here, if you see here, this is already we have removed. This is pending one. Okay. Now then again click next. Now see Germany came into I. This UK is not coming into I. Why? Because see the index is moving here. You observe this, right? Index is moved. Already first index is passed. Okay. Here two UKs are there in input, right? This UK removed and this UK came to and joined here, sitting here at index 1. Okay. Now Germany came. Now click again next. It is false and it is going back to third line. And again click. Now see, this UK came. Which UK came? Third. Third index UK came here. Right? Now then click next. Now we are at fifth line. Click next. See that UK gone. Okay. Now see. Now see. Again length is reduced. This index is removed. You are telling that, right? So for that, let me show. Let me print here. You can print here. If you want to observe that more thing, right? Now print data. Okay. Now as of now, just let me keep this here input. Okay. This input just it will wait for the keyboard input. Okay. For the keyboard input. I'll explain you in next class this one input part, but let me explain here only. Clearly you can observe this. Okay. First see, this is we are having list. Okay. Just I am pressing enter. Okay. Next also it is failed, right? India is failed. Okay. Here it is false. Then again it goes back to fifth line and again it is executed. Okay. Again list is this one. Now see one UK gone here. This UK. Okay. Now if you want to see that which UK gone also we can print I think here. Index. How to check index? How to check index? Can you tell me how to check index? Index of UK? Hmm? Data dot index? Oh, let me exit this. Okay, terminate this. Let me open again. See this is Python 3 or 2. This is original list. Okay, first print. Okay, now here we need to print. We are not printing here, right? Okay, let's. Let's forget about this. Now see, you are able to observe, right? See, first UK gone here. This UK gone here. First time. So if you observe, like you need to think in depth. That's why let me print again this one. I think now you understood this, right? Uh, Tom? I think others still have confusion. Python 3 or 2. Divide. See, now this is original list we are having. Okay. See, UK index here is 1, right? UK index here is 1. This is from original list. Okay. Now again I am executing. Here one UK gone, bro. Okay, na? First UK gone. Again after this is completed. Okay, this is gone first. Again we are checking index, right? Again index is 1 now, right? Now see here also, if you observe here also same thing happening. You need to think just one step in depth, then you will understand this. See again I am executing this. See this now for loop is executing one by one, right? First see here first UK gone, it is moved to left side, right? Right? You are able to observe that, right? Here, you observe that, right? Here. So next to Germany came here in next step. Okay. Next, what we are doing? Data dot remove UK. See, normally remove what it will do. Remove, right? Remove what it will do. It will remove first UK, right? First time. First UK from the list. First UK. Okay. That also you need to remember. So when it is jumping one here second place to first place, it will skip first time. Okay, when you execute next time, right, next time it will delete, right? See here two UKs are there, right? Here these two UKs are removing. Here if you see continuously we have 5 UKs, right? Here it will skip, in this place it will skip. Now see again I have executed. Here if you see India, Germany are there, UK removed here. Okay, again if you see here UK index is 1. Let me execute again. See here UK index is 2. Next step. Okay, now again let me remove this. Yeah, see here it is stopped. Only finally it is removed 3 times, right? All others are as it is. So just you need to observe little bit in depth, then you will understand this. See, whenever it is moving right side to left side, it will skip. For loop will skip because already read that indexing, right? Shiva, you understood, right? This one, bro. How it is happening. Ram, bro. Yeah. Any doubt here from others? Hmm? Yeah, you also can try using this visualizer, right? Then you will understand clearly what happening, which object is coming and which object is removing. Just you need to think one step a little bit, okay? One step in depth. That is why we need to, whenever you want to like remove, right? You need to count first and we can remove the for example, if we are getting count 5 here, we can loop 5 times here and it will loop five items from here. This is correct way. Yeah. If we have like this, right, this also will be pass 2, right? Here 4, 5. Now this also will work fine. This method. Now see, all UKs are gone here now. All UKs are gone here. So if it is duplicates next to like indexing index, right? Zeroth index also UK, first index also UK, the second index also UK, then it will fail because we are applying here loop. So when it is reading right, it will automatically skip the already read position. 4, 3. Clear, right? Today we'll see loop controls. Loop controls we have break, break, continue, and we have pass also. Okay. Now let me take list. So this is a list we're having. I need output only India, UK, Austria. See, once you will get Austria right, we need to break the loop. We need to break the loop. See, for I in data, okay, just let me print here, print I. Okay. Now we're able to get all right. Once we get Austria, we need to break the loop. Okay. How can we do? Yeah, if I equal to Austria, okay. If I equal to Austria, then break. Okay. Now let me print here something. Print test. Okay. Now see, break. What it will do here is it will exit the loop. Okay. It will exit the loop. See. Yeah. See. Only we are getting India, UK, Austria. Others we don't want. Others are not printing here. Clear? Yeah, it will terminate the loop. It will terminate the loop. It will exit from the loop based on the condition. Right? See, now answer to this one for see this it is India, UK, Austria. Where it is coming? India, UK, Austria. From which line it is coming? It is coming from seventh line. Seventh line. Okay. Now let me keep this here within the if condition. Now what is the output we will get? Hmm? No. Now see it is here within the if condition. Yeah. You need to observe. Yeah. It is within the if condition. Now here it is outside if condition. We are getting this India, UK, Austria because yeah, here once it is failed here we are breaking exiting from the loop. Now tell me what is the output we will get. Hmm? We will get only test. You are getting right because test is outside the loop. Okay, this is outside the loop. No, break is applied. See, here break is applied. Where it is applied? Ninth line. Okay. So tenth line it will not execute, right? Here only came out from the loop. Got it right? Observe right? So ninth line only we are breaking. So tenth line it will not execute. Even we have 11th line also it will not execute. Here test. Okay. Here again test. Yeah, this is also not executing because here only we are coming out from the loop. Clear? Yeah. Now see here for now if I keep these two here, okay, here, what is the output we will get? Now, now tell me. Hmm? Print I. Hmm? See India UK how it will come? India UK how it will come? See if I equal to Austria, then only tenth line will execute. Tenth line will execute, right? Got it? Five. See now Austria is printing because Austria if I equal to Austria, so it is entering into this block if block. Okay, so it is printed and print test also printed. Okay, after breaking, yeah. After that, outside the for loop, we are getting this test. Clear? Yeah. Now, just answer to this one. Print I. What is the output I will get now? Print I. No, see where it is there print statement. Hmm? See, yeah, India, UK, and this test from outside of for loop. Are you getting? Because it is outside of if block, right? It is outside of if block. See, India, UK test. Any doubts here? Anyone here? Let me show you here. So you also can like keep your code and you can test. Okay, if you have any doubts. This is Python visualizer. Okay, yeah, visualize execution. Okay, now see just cursor is at first line. Click next. See in data India, UK, Austria, Germany, Italy are available. Okay, then now cursor is at third line. Click next. Yeah, in I India is there. Okay, in I India is there. India equal to Austria. It is false, right? Now clicking here. Now it jumped to 8 directly because it is not entering into if block. Okay, clear? Now click next. It went back to third line. Now UK came. Next, it jumped to eighth line because UK equal to Austria, false. Then for loop. Then now Austria is there. Austria equal to Austria. See now seventh line, right? It is executing seventh line. Click next. It's gone. Break, right? Break is happened here. So cursor is at 11th line now, right? Now click next. See output is India UK test. Here print statement output will show here this place. Okay. Here we can analyze. Here we can analyze this place. This is the output area. This is script. You need to place here. Clear, right? Now let me explain you another. See, let's take same. So, okay. Now we have this list. Okay. Now I need output only India, UK. Okay. India, UK, and Austria. See, the requirement is if index is if index is 2, okay? If index is 2, you need to break the loop. If index is 2, break the loop. How can we do this? For I in data, okay? So this is must write first line, easily you can write, okay? First write this line. Next here you need to think, okay? Yeah. If see how to get indexes, understand question, how to get indexes. No, if index is 2, okay, once you reach second index, you need to break the loop. So yesterday we have learned, right, range, range function. By using range, we can generate numbers, right? Here, why can't we apply range? Yeah. Range of data, again, see, is it meaningful? Range of data. What is the syntax? Yeah. What is the syntax for range? Range, we need to provide number here. Yeah. Here data is list. Okay. Data is list. Right. So we need to get length. If you get length, right, length of this, it will be a number, right? Yeah. Yeah. What is the len of data? Len of data 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. Len of data is 5. Okay. Range of 5 is what? Range of 5. 0 to 4. Right. Now can we do here if I equal to 2, 2, right? If I equal to 2, now print print I. What is there in I? Again here, what is there in I? In I numbers are there, indexes are there, right? If you want to print objects, how to access data of I? data of I. See, now tell me for this answer, yeah, what is the output we will get here? Hmm? What is the output we will get here? Huh? Clearly observe, clearly observe here. Here, seventh line, what we are doing, we are getting indexes one by one. Okay. Here we are checking if index equal to 2. So when it will pass, here it will pass. When index equal to 2. So it will enter into this block. Clear, right? Now it will execute ninth line. What is the ninth line? Here output. No, 0 and 1, like how it will enter here? 0 and 1. 0 and 1. 0 and 1 entering or not here? What we are checking? See, if I equal to 2, right? True. Where it is true? Where? Here. Asked here. So here also you will get 2, data of 2 asked here. See, clear, right? I want I want India, UK, Austria. Where I need to print? Before here, see this line you need to write here, right? Now see 0 will come 0 comma data of 0 India. 1 will come 1 comma data of 1 UK. Next 2 will come 2 comma data of 2 Austria. Here 2 it is true, right? Now here we are breaking. Till here we will get output. Right. Okay. See 0 India, UK, Austria. Clear, right? Now tell me if we keep here, what is the output we'll get here instead of here, here. If we keep print statement here, what is the output we'll get at 12th line? Hmm? See bro, here if I'll keep here print statement, this one, what is the output I'll get? Hmm? See, simple, right? Just read line by line. Just read line by line. First, what we are getting I. Okay, 0 we are getting. 0 we are getting. Here, 0 equal to 0. 0 equal to 2. False, right? False. So here it will not enter into if block. Then it will execute this 30th line. Clear, right? Then it goes back and 1 we will get. 1 equal to 2. Again false. Again it will come and print. This 13th line will execute. Right? Next 2 will get 2 equal to 2. It is true. True. It will come and here it will break the loop. Yeah. Now what is the output we received? Only 2, right? India, UK. Just line by line, read line by line, and then you will get to know the what it is. Here it is happening. Right? Now, now we'll see the continue. Okay, continue. So let me write for I in data. if I equal to Austria, okay, if I equal to Austria, continue, okay, here I am printing I. So continue, what it will do is, if we will get this, if it is true, it will like continue the loop. It will continue the loop. See, now tell me first, see. First in I, what we are getting? India. India equal to Austria. Condition is false. Okay. Condition is false meaning it will check for next, right? 10th line. So India will print here. Clear? Next UK will come. Right? UK equal to Austria. Again false. Then 10th line will execute. UK will print. Now Austria will come. Austria equal to Austria. Continue meaning continue meaning it will skip that iteration. Skip. It will skip this. So again, see from here only, ninth line only, it is going back to 7, right? So break will like do the exit from the loop. Continue will do like skip that particular element. Yeah, yes. Continue meaning here it will goes back to 7 again here. Now Austria here, Austria equal to Austria, continue. Then it goes back to 7, seventh line. Now Germany will come. Yeah, Germany equal to Austria, false. It will print 10th line. Okay. Then Italy will come. See now observe clearly India, UK, Germany, Italy. Austria is not there. If you want to skip particular thing, okay, you can use continue. Right? Skip iteration. You can skip that particular iteration. Clear? Yeah. Now same thing. Answer to this one. Now if I'll keep this one here, what is the output I'll get? Hmm? See, all output will get, right. Just simple, right. All will get. Yeah. All will get. Yeah. Now tell me one by one. First India will come. Okay. India print. UK will come. UK also will print. Here UK equal to Austria. It is fail. Okay. It will not skip. Okay. Then Austria will come. Austria also will print. Okay. First Austria will print here. Austria equal to Austria. It is true and it is going back to 7. Right? Next Germany will come, Italy will come. See, now it is printed all. Clear? So next one is pass. Okay. Just it is pass is for example, for I in data. Let me take that data. See here, if you see here, when we are creating big scripts, right? So we are here, but here we need to wait here for something. Okay, you need to write some other lines here. Print test. So if I'll execute this 12, see I'm getting error here, right? I am getting error. Why here in for loop, like it is incompleted. For loop is incompleted. Now if I'll keep pass here, just I'm keeping pass here. Now it will work fine. Yeah. So just this is the purpose we'll use pass. See, after some time, you will get an idea for this for loop. Okay. Meanwhile, you can write other part of code and you can test that code. Clear? But here, for loop should be there. Something you need to write here related to one requirement. Some code you need to write here. That is why just you can create like this and you can leave it using pass. You can write other code and you can execute this and you can test that other code, right? After some time or no, just this is pass. See, without pass here, see, without pass, we are getting error because this for loop is incompleted. Yeah, syntax error here. For loop is incompleted. So we are unable to test other lines also here. We are unable to test other lines here. Print something. Okay. Now see, we are unable to test other lines. If you keep pass here, right? See, other lines are executing, right? But here something you need to write. As of now, you do not have any idea. What you are not getting any idea to, like you are not getting logic here. So after some time later, you can think of it and you can write this. Clear, right? Just that is the purpose we can use pass. Otherwise, only this is the purpose we can use pass. Clear? Yeah. Data equal to India. So how to check it is data is starting with I? If it is starting with I, just print it is starting with I. Otherwise, print it is not starting with I. How can we do that? If no, first tell me what it is data type. Da- Data is string. Okay. How to check starting character and ending characters in strings? Yeah, you need to use start with I. Okay. Starts with I. Then, for example, here you need to write some statements here. Okay. Now here in else block, just print not starting with I. Okay. See now here you will get the error if you'll execute this. Okay. That is incomplete. So if you keep here something pass right pass right because you need to write some other logics also here. Okay. But yeah, don't think of only this one. Just I wanted to explain you about pass. Okay. Yeah. You want to write some other logics also here, and after that, this is other requirement also. You need to put in same script for I in data print I. See. Now this code will execute. This code will execute if you are not writing this here, right? Pass, it will not execute. That code will not execute. Clear? Yeah. Now, yeah. Now you can write your logics here. Yeah. Even see, pass is not defined. See this total else if condition will pass. Right? Now it is starting with I. Execute now. See here starting with I and other code also executed. Clear? So when you are creating bigger scripts, right? That time you can use that. For example, if you are creating 1,000 lines of code, if you are writing 1,000 lines of code, sometimes you will not get correct logics, okay, for that particular part. So you can pass that part, but you need to write some code there. You need to remember that, okay. So after 2 or 3 days, you can go back and you can think of that particular part. Okay. Now, now we'll check while loops. Okay, while loop. So syntax is while condition here statements. Statement 1, statement 2, statement 3, outside statement 4. Okay. This is the syntax. While condition we can write here and within the statements we can execute. Right? See, while is mainly used for infinite loop purpose. Infinite looping purpose. See, whatever like we can write code using for loop, right? We can write using while loop also. Yeah. But whatever code we are using while loop, we cannot write using for loop. Clear? Whatever, yeah, whatever code. No, no, no. I'm not telling you that actually. Whatever code that we write using for loop, okay? Same we can write using while loop also. Yeah, we can write using while loop also. While loop. But whatever code, right? Writing using while loop, using while loop. Here we cannot be always write using for loop. We cannot always. Sometimes it is possible. We cannot write using for loop. You understood this, right? This point. So whatever we are like here, till here we used for loops, right? For these are all things we can use while loop also. Okay, but whatever we write using while loop, we cannot use for loop for same requirement. Right? I will tell you those examples. Okay, because while loop will work as we can use it for infinity loop, infinity purpose. Okay, for loop is for example, for I in data. Likewise, will is right. PA pass. Okay, let's take data equal to 10, 20, 30. Okay, so for loop we can use like this, right? While loop, see, while condition we need to write here. Okay, condition we can write here based on the requirement. Yeah. For example, if I want to print, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. So we can print like, for example, n equal to 5 here. Okay. Initially n equal to 5 and starts with 1. Here I am declaring one more thing. Here condition I am writing, if I is less than 5, less than 5, okay, print I. Yeah. Now if I'll execute this, what is the output I'll get? See, print I. Yeah. See, if this condition is, see, if then this condition is true, okay, if this con see, yeah, no, let's listen first. If condition is true, okay, yeah, if, yeah, just listen. If this condition is true, okay, it will enter into here while loop. Now I less than 5, okay, otherwise I less than n, okay, okay, 1 less than 5, it is true or false? True, right? It will execute, okay, then it goes back to 23, okay, again it will check, again it will check 1 less than 5, true, again it will print, again it goes back to 23. You are getting my point, right? That is why it is infinity loop. Now let me execute this. While, okay, while, see, ones are continuously printing. You are able to observe this, right? Con Yeah, continuously printing. Infinity level, infinity loop. Let me terminate this. Okay, just I am terminating this. Okay, let me open again. See, now I want 1, 2, 3, 4 like this output. So now I plus equal to 1. Now it will end loop, right? Now it will end loop because first it will print 1, okay? So 1 plus 1, 2, okay? I value is 2 now here, 2 less than 5. Again true, 2 will print, okay? 2 plus 1, 3, 3 less than 5, true, okay? It will print 3, satisfied, okay? Again 3 plus 1, 4, 4 less than 5, again true, it will print 4 here, right? Again 4 plus 1, 5, 5 less than 5, false, right? Then it will exit. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, you are clearly able to see, right? Yeah. So for infinity looping purpose, mainly we'll use while loop. Okay. But I can say in real time we will use for loop 90 percentage. Okay. While loop 10 percentage. While loop also important in some places. Okay. When you want to do infinity loop. Okay. See. Now while to now I wanted to sum numbers. For example, one here only you are printing 1, 2, 3, 4, right? I want to sum these four. 1 plus 2, 3 plus likewise. Yeah. How can we do that? Using while loop. See, yeah. I wanted to sum all numbers. Okay. I wanted to sum all numbers. First sum equal to 0. First initialize this. Okay. Okay. Then I equal to starts from 1 and requirement is 5. Stop at 5. Okay. Now while while I less than n, yeah, uh, sum equal to, yeah, sum plus I. Then okay, okay, print sum. So now again here if you see it will be infinity loop. Yeah, it is if yeah if it is we are exiting here it is again infinity loop. Yes, I equal to, yeah, I plus equal to 1. Yeah. Here also you can do same thing, right? Sum plus equal to I. Can we do that? Just shortcut, okay? Amazing shortcut. So output is 10, right? This one also you can check here. If you want to verify, we can check here how it is happening, right? Now, just I am copying that code to here. Visualize execution. Now cursor in at first line, sum equal to 0. Here, this is the print output. This is the analysis. Line by line analysis here, this part. Then next, here see, in sum 0 is there. Okay. Next, in I 1 is there. Okay. Next, here, yeah, n 5 is there here. Okay. Then next, here it is executed. Now in sum, see, in sum 1 is there. It is changed. Okay. In I 2 is there. Okay. In n always 5 is there in n. Okay. Yeah, we are not touching 5 here, this place, right? So n we declared as 5 and n will be 5 only. Then next, in sum 3 is there. Okay. Yeah. In I 3 is there. No, 6. Sum is 6. Okay. Yeah. Sum is 10 now. Now it is checking I value is 5. 5 less than n value also 5. 5. So it is exited and it is at ninth line. See, output here it is printing 10. Clear? Likewise, you can test, you can check also. Right? While 3. Okay. Now while true, print just printing running. Okay. Running. Then uh, press Control plus C to exit. C to stop. Okay. Now see, this is infinity loop. Okay. While true, infinity times it will execute. See now, in normally if you press Control C, it will exit from where in command prompt, right? In command prompt, if you press Control C, it will exit, right? So yeah. So now it is infinity loop, but in PyCharm it will not work. Okay. Yeah. But for user purpose, user will try in command prompt, right? So that is why in command prompt, if you press Control C, it will exit. Now I am terminating this. Clear, right? Okay. I think tomorrow we'll continue with input and while loop and for loop. Okay. Input method and while loop and for loop.